In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer a domain to Ionos step by step so you know exactly what to expect and what to click along the way. Before we get started, it's helpful to understand what we're doing. Transferring a domain to Ionos means you're moving the management of that domain from your current provider over to Ionos. Your actual website and email won't automatically move with the domain, but the control over the domain name itself will. Here, we're focusing specifically on the core process inside the Ionos interface so you can confidently start the transfer. First, you'll want to open the Ionos control panel. This is the main dashboard where you manage your products and settings. Go ahead and sign into your Ionos account, and once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the control panel homepage. If you have multiple contracts or products, don't worry, we're going to go straight to the area that handles domains. Next, we need to navigate to the domains section. At the top of the screen, look for the menu option. Click on menu, and from the list that appears, select domains and SSL. This section is where you'll see all the domains associated with your Ionos account, as well as options for certificates and other domain-related tools. Give the page a moment to load so you can see all available options clearly. Once you're in the domains and SSL area, you're ready to initiate the transfer. On this page, look for an option labeled Transfer Domain to Ionos. This is usually presented as a button or a clearly marked link. Go ahead and click Transfer Domain to Ionos. This tells the system that you want to bring a domain in from another provider, rather than buying a new one or managing an existing Ionos domain. After you start the transfer process, you'll see a field where you can enter the domain name you want to transfer. Carefully type in your full domain name, including the extension like .com or .net. It's important to enter it exactly as it's registered with your current provider without extra spaces or typos. Taking a moment to double check the spelling here can save you time and confusion later. When you're sure the domain name is correct, click the transfer button. At this point, Ionos will begin checking whether the domain is eligible to be transferred. Behind the scenes, it will verify basic details, such as whether the domain can be moved and whether it's properly formatted. Depending on the domain and your current registrar, you may be asked for an authorization code or to confirm the transfer by email as additional steps, but those happen outside of this core Ionos screen. Once you've clicked transfer, follow any on-screen prompts that appear next in your Ionos account to complete the process. The actual transfer can take some time to finalize, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't happen instantly. You can always come back to the domains and SSL section to track the status of your domain while it's transferring. That's all you need to do in the Ionos control panel. Open the control panel, go to menu, then domains and SSL, start a transfer with transfer domain to Ionos, enter your domain name and click transfer to kick off the process.